morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another edition of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We are live here at the Mini Museum of the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And today, this morning, we will be talking about two sports. Isa sa mga growing sports ito for our youngsters and not young alike. No? Ito po ay ang esports. And another one later this morning is about cycling. I'm Randy Calwag of Manila Standard. Good morning, Carl.
Yes, good morning. And I think we'll be having a three-part session for today because our good chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission will be joining us at third part of our session. So hope that you are with us through our live streaming. That's www.fb.com/Philippine Sports Writers Association. So don't forget to like and to share us. We are also on a delayed basis of the Radyo Pilipinas 2, ng ating pa rin sports radio, 918 kHz sa ating AM band. Judith Karingal po.
And bago yan, Judith, bago pakilala ng ating unang guest, nais nating pasalamatan ang partners ng PSA. We have the Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart, PLDT, Milo Philippines, at Arena Plus.
And yes, another world champion for Team Philippines, I'm sure, in the forthcoming MLBB or M6 World Championships in Malaysia. So we have our Philippine champions, champions and runner-up in the recently concluded national selection. So we have our delegates from Fanatic Onic PH, Coach Tony Inot Sinedrin. Hi, Coach! And then, Fanatic Onic player, Cyric King Pong Perez. Hello, how are you? And then we have Aurora MLBB, Coach Ariel Master the Basics Yandani, and player Edward J. Dapada. Hello. And of course, from MLBB Philippines, Kit Nino Medrano. Welcome once again to the PSA Forum. Good morning, guys.
Yes, before the opening statement, nais natin acknowledge ang PSA President natin, Mr. Nelson Beltrán of Philippines Star. Good morning.
And thank you, Snow Badua, kasi he's doing the live streaming for today.
Napakaganda ng ating live streaming.
Okay.
Professional na professional. Okay?
Opening remarks, Kit, please.
On behalf of Nutang Games and ML Philippines, magandang umaga sa Philippine Sports Writers Association. It's a privilege for us to be here, so thank you so much for accommodating this interview for us. Ang reason po kung bakit po nandito yung mga Philippine delegates natin para ikumpanya at magkaroon na rin po ng send-off para sa paparating na M6 World Championship na yun nga po, sabi ni Ma'am Judith, gaganapin sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Magsa-start po yung event natin ng November 21 para sa wildcard. Pero ito yung part ng tournament na hindi naman kasali yung teams natin kasi dediretso sila sa main stage na gaganapin sa November 28. Bilang champions and first runner-up teams of MPL Philippines, sila yung ipapadala natin sa Kuala Lumpur para sa possible na ikalima nating championship title para sa Pilipinas. Magsa-start po yung Swiss stage na 28 ng November hanggang December 15. Ayun na po ang pinakabago pong format nitong World Series ngayong M6 World Championship. Yung tinatawag natin Swiss format, kung saan may limang Swiss stages na gaganapin sa loob ng main stage kumpara sa format ng mga nakaraang World Series. Sa parang ito, mas mali-level up pa namin yung level of competition sa M6 World Championship in line with our team, greater than ever.
Okay. Tanungin natin yung ating mga coaches and players. Itong first time lalaro XC system. Familiar na ba kayo rito and how will this put us into a disadvantage or advantage? Ano yung mga pros and cons dito para sa inyong teams?
I wouldn't say familiar, pero currently kasi kakatapos lang na isang online tournament na it has global teams as well and Swiss format din siya. Big difference lang is yun nga, magiging LAN event siya doon, naginaan sa Malaysia, and apart from that, it's just one game. Yung doon kasi sa recently concluded, it was a best of 3. So It's a very big deal kasi you're battling against teams all over the world na they're really not that familiar on how they play, what their strategies are, what techniques, how they think. So it's gonna be a real challenge, to be honest.
The player natin. Yeah. Anong masasabi mo sa system na ito and how do you think you will fare against other players in the world?
Para sa akin po siguro, mas kailangan namin magdoble ingat gawa ng mga best of one na series. As ayun, first time lang din namin na-experience yung ganong sistema.
Si Coach,
Coach Anya?
ano naman?
Bali, yung Swiss format was exciting siya kasi sa mga tournament namin before, sobrang sanay na talaga lahat. Then this Swiss naman, hindi lang siya disadvantage namin or advantage namin kasi yung mga ibang regions din, first time lang din nilang may experience. Kaya tingin ko naman lahat pantay lang. And yeah, sobrang exciting kasi bago.
Si Edward, player?
Yun nga po, sa sobrang tagal ko nung naglalaro ng ML, ngayon lang po nagkaroon ng Swiss format. Pero naka-experience na rin po kami nitong nitong ESL lang po na online tournament. Which is, rin po, parang experience na rin po para sa amin, para sa paparating na M6 na Swiss format.
So, paano ang paghahanda ng mga ito sa tournament na ito? Paano nyo kayong nagse-set up din ng mga ng mga teams nila, kung saan, ano ang preparations nila?
Para sa mga paghahanda naman ng teams, kung hindi common sa ating mga members dito sa PSA Forum, sa totoo lang, kung paano naghahanda yung mga atleta rin natin sa iba't ibang mga palaro or sports, ganun din kung paano mag-prepare yung mga esports athletes natin, no? May sarili-sarili silang bootcamp, may sarili-sarili silang bootcamp rules, training, date, kung kailan sila nag-scrim with other teams. And ayun nga, parte ng preparation din na yun, nakikipaglaro din sila sa iba't ibang teams na makakalaro rin nila sa scrimmages din. So ayun, yun yung mga preparations na ginagawa nila na pretty much yun nga, medyo same din sa mga ginagawang paghahanda ng mga atleta natin para sa mga World Championships na pinupuntahan nila.
Yes. Okay, to the coaches, how's the training camps? This time, di ba, this year, new teams to, new names, di ba, or new representatives from the Philippines to the World Championship. So, biggest expectations, how good the training camp, Coach Tony?
I think it's going rather pretty well. I mean, yun nga, recently, both of us concluded Swiss tourney format, which was ESL Snapdragon. They ran it perfectly. We passed as well. Pero yun nga, apart from that, we do the daily thing that we used to, that we're really used to. So, like for me, it's already been 5 years for me coaching, and it's still the same yung daily process na you screen 3 times per day, let's say, and then you still watch film. That kind of like in basketball.
Yes.
So you do study your opponent, their tendencies, how they think, kind of like that. So
Very much ready.
very much ready, yes, I guess. Pero yeah, you can never be really too much ready. You can prepare. Kasi yun nga, lahat ng mga yun nagpe-prepare. And as Keith mentioned, we're the defending champions of the Philippines.
Yes.
So it's really the world looking at us right now. So it's our job to really, defend it.
Yeah. New name, but definitely not new players to the World Championships from your team, Fanatic.
Yeah, pero ayun nga, as we mentioned a couple of times during the whole regular season, kami as Fanatic Onic, we're a team na kasi composed of players na didn't really make the cut sa mga previous seasons. Kumbaga yung mga previous seasons were 6th place, 8th place, yung mga bottom ng liga. And then nag-group up kami. We're just, like-minded people na gustong mag-compete, gustong mag-champion, gustong i-prove yung sarili namin. And then, we made it work. And I think ganun pa rin yung mentality namin going into this. Despite having winning here, iba pa rin pag tayong global na eh.
Yes, okay. Coach Aniel, how about your team? Entirely new ba ito sa World Championship? Yung mga mukha ng mga players na dadalhin mo dito? Kamusta din yung preparation and your expectations come the Malaysia World Championships?
Pagdating naman po sa players namin, karamihan sa players po is nakasabak na rin po sa World Championship, and katulad ni Edward, nag-champion na rin po sa isang nagkaroon na rin po ng world title. And pagdating naman po sa preparation namin, goods naman yung preparation. Kailangan lang talaga namin mag-double kayod kasi mas maraming international teams na hindi pa namin kilala, and kailangan namin munang aralin kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa region nila para in case na makaharap namin sila, maging ready kami.
Yes, okay, yeah, please, Ivan.
One moment. So, good morning. Ivan Salden from Davao San PMA. So, I have a question for Coach. Why not? Kasi, now let's talk about your first opponent sa MC, which is Liquid Aura, or now known as Liquid Indonesia. Kasi, nakalaban mo na sila recently sa Snapdragon. So, and you beat them by 2-0 sweep. So, is that somehow a boost of confidence ahead of your matchup sa MC? So, lalo kayo naging wari kasi baka nagkatago ng pwersa yung Liquid Aura.
Siguro sa coach, hindi nga objectively speaking, I mean, looking at the game, I think Coach MDB would agree na di rin naman ganun kalinis yung game yung series win eh. I think nung nagtapos din yung game, usap kami ng mga players namin, it was kind of like, yes, we won, we're happy, pero at the end of the day, we could have done things more better. And I really think na yun nga eh, hindi pa yun eh. And hindi rin yun para dun sa Team Liquid. And definitely, kung kami magpe-prepare para dun sa M6, definitely sila din. Kasi yun nga, nanalo kami pero hindi ko masabing parang sure win na for us. Kasi hindi. Dahil pa marami kailangan ayusin para dun. Parang ganun.
Now let's move to Aurora naman kay Coach MP, because now you'll be facing Falcon East. I think this is my snap. Yeah, this is my snap tagging. Yung snap yung Falcon. So yun. So at least for now, hindi pa alam magiging galawan ng Falcon sa MC. So how are you looking forward to that matchup against Falcon?
Siguro yun yung kailangan namin paghandaan. Hindi lang sa Falcons, pati na rin sa ibang teams. Kasi marami talagang teams na maglalabas ng kakaiba or something new na kailangan maging ready kami kung ano man yung ibigay ng mga kalaban. So yun yung kailangan namin, yun yung hinahanda namin ngayon.
So yeah, you mentioned nga may something ka kayo. So